Now this is a new predicament. We have Dad. Frank. And there he goes. Just gonna make it. It's a diligent effort right here. Oh, he's gonna do it. You're a good boy. Oh my God. Hold the phone. Look at that, people. Our dog is awesome. You made it! Good. Oh, it's Daddy's